Today I am actually leading you through this whole nice community that's brand new. It's called Feathergrass and it's in Florence, Georgetown, which is very close to Georgetown and Leander, a little bit of hill. So it's just about 45 minutes north of Austin. This community is brand new. It started in April 2025 and there are about 66 lots, 1 acre each. So there are 2 builders. The first one is Chesmar and then also the GFO builder, and they're all beautiful 3,000 square foot or more homes with 1 acre lots. So today, John already told you the Chesmar 1-story home, and it's an inventory home. Today, I'm gonna be touring you the model home for the same floor plan called Reese. So before we walk to the model home, I just want to give you a little bit more information about this community. Its property tax rate, again, John already mentioned it, it's 1.55% property tax rate, which is great because this is the lowest property tax rate I've ever seen in the northern of Austin area. And HOA here is about $1,000 a year, and the HOA is basically covering, the no amenities around here because every house is a big lot, and each lot is 1 acre. So there is also option like Chesmar is giving builders are giving customers an option to build a swimming pool in their lot. And if they build a swimming pool with Chesmar and buy an inventory home, there's going to be $100,000 credit back to the buyer, and it's one of the great incentives. So this base price for this Reese plan with Chesmar is $1 million. The building home about 3,100 square feet all the way up to 3,900 square feet, 1 and 2 story. I think they have 3 or 4 floor plan that is 1 story, and then just 1 2-story floor plan. So let's tour with me the home that is the model and the floor plan for this Reese. This is a model home, so everything is decorated nicely compared to the inventory home that John already been walking you through. And here is a grand patio at the front, and you can see the elevations exterior is consisting of bricks and stucco, and double door is the major feature here for 1 story. Nowadays it's hard to get builders that actually spending money to do double doors for their customer, and Chesmar is doing this here for their 1 acre homes. Walking through here on the left side is the office, and you can see how well it was decorated with beautiful fixtures of lights and built-in cabinets and bookshelves. Very high ceiling, so you walk through here, the ceiling is over 15 foot high, and a built-in electrical fireplace also right in the middle of the family room or the living room area. And as you can see, the beams up on top of the ceiling in the family room is very trendy. The colors and the wood, it makes this home looks a little bit modern and also classic on the side. Here are the sliding doors to go to the patio, and it's the swimming pool. To check out the swimming pool a little bit. So here is the open floor plan, kitchen, dining room, and family room. As you can see, look at this highly upgraded either stones or granites here. But right now, the incentive for anyone who are building their homes is unlimited upgrades to their homes. And so as you can see, this trendy color cabinets all the way up high, gas stove appliances, beautiful big sink, a lot of cabinets and countertops area, and a beautiful glass pantry, well decorated as well. Just imagine that John walked you through the inventory home earlier today, and if you are decorating that particular home, it will look just like this model home, as fitting the way that you like. So here is the dining area, and how the building with all the shelves with wines, racks. The dining room looks very rustic and nice. So, and then the window lights and the glass wall here make it very bright, and a lot of natural lights coming in. So let's quickly walk through the master bedroom and the other bedrooms. All right, so I believe this is a game room. This beautiful game room, as you can see out this window, I mean, I can see a lot of bright lights and a nice view out there, you know, with the decorated curtains and a nice closet in here that will be there for you to put your books, your CDs, or anything that's entertainment related away. Also, you also have access to the outside as well to get to the pool, which we're gonna check it out in a little bit. Okay, follow me to the next bedrooms. Here's a guest bath or a powder room. Okay, so of course there's no bathroom in here because it's considered to be 4.5 bath, and this is the first half bath. So guests who come and visit your family, you know, they can always enter that powder room if they needed to use it. And this is the first bedroom, and the way this room was decorated was like dark gray color. But there's also the built-in shelf and the full bath in here as well. And check out this full bathroom with the tiles that they put on the backsplash of the bathtub, all the way up high, 10-foot ceilings, and it looks very wood-like, and it's easy to clean the color. Oh, this workout room is actually a full bath bedroom, but they make it into a workout room. So as you can see, the floor is upgraded, and all this molding wood is upgraded with the full bath in here as well, with a full closet. So you can walk into the closet and the vanity, and look at the high-tech mirror glowing, and then also a standing shower, and with tile all the way up. Wow, besides this big, humongous kitchen, you also have this small space for storage, you know, anything kitchen related, and a refrigerator hook up right here with the refrigerator. And you also have a sink here, so you can make it into the second smaller kitchen without a microwave or oven. But I think, you know, any drinks can be prepared here. You make your coffee here, and you can wash your coffee and glasses here, and have your own breakfast made in here and bring it out to the dining or breakfast table. Okay, so this is the mud area, okay, which is closer to the garage. So after school, after work, you can actually walk home, put your stuff here, your handbags, your shoes, your jacket, whatever needed there. And here is also your laundry room. This is a huge laundry room with washer dryer and a little window, and with built-in cabinets on top and in the bottom as well. So it's pretty roomy for you to build in all these storage spaces. On the right is the third bedrooms, okay? So this third bedroom is also huge, with a walk-in closet as well. It's not as large, but you can also walk in there with a full bath, okay? So the closet is right there, and the bathroom is on this side, okay? And you do have a standing shower upgraded into this one, and a sink, cabinets, and private toilets, and everything is full with. All right, so heading to the master bedroom, you will pass by this beautiful family or living room with high ceilings, fireplace, and it's connected here to the master. And this is the door actually for the utilities and internet services. But walk in here, you also have a double door upgraded over here, with you can get out your bedroom and go directly to the pool or to the backyard patio. It's beautiful. This is like luxury. All right, so look at the lights, pictures. It's beautiful, built in. Okay, On your left and on your right, basically the linen closets. And here, all tile. And then this is my favorite part of the master bathroom with Chesmar homes up in Feathergrass. They do have a standalone tub, but it's actually inside your shower, your walk-in shower. So you can basically, play with all kind of water in here. You don't have to worry about it get wet in the area where you're standing, brush your teeth, put on your makeup, etc. So this beautiful shower here, the tiles all the way up. And then also the bathtub is in here, well decorated with the windows that give you a lot of good natural lights, and there's no door. So it's a very low maintenance and a high classy room. And then on the right here, there is a closet. This one has a big closet with a built-in cabinet or island here for you to fold your clothes or put your whatever needed in here when you get home, or if you decided to put your dress to maybe put a towel here and iron your clothes too. It's very convenient, but it's huge and it has built-in cabinetries. Okay, I'm leaving to the pool right now from the master bedroom, and here is the sliding door. Unlock it and pull it. Take me to this beautiful patio, and this basically the patio is actually standard, but if you were to upgrade, with all these benches, that is an option for you to do as well. And then there is a built-in fireplace outdoor for you, and there's TV hooked up and everything. To get another upgrade that you can do to your patio is the grill and outdoor kitchen as well. Well, you see that beautiful pool out there, and this is part of what Chesmar gonna do for you. If you buy an inventory home, a building your home, and would like to put in a pool, they will roll it into the price, and then also credit you part of that money for the discount. So if you have any questions about building a home up in Feathergrass, in Florence or Georgetown area with Chesmar Home, feel free to reach out to Vinvo in Realty, and our number is 512-598-9999. Thank you.